Truth be told, I don't expect anyone to bid on it just because they like Genius Garage and feel like being philanthropic. I expect people to bid on it because they want the most exotic car available possible. But bid a lot. Help me make the future better. Bring a trailer, LYKAN Hypersport, 3 p.m. Eastern time. It's going, no reserve. You get one chance. So the Genius Garage LYKAN Hypersport auction ends this coming Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern on Bring a Trailer. So I thought I would take this opportunity before it's over. And yes, I'm coming to you not from the shop. I'm actually at the pit race, road race track doing a motorcycle thing. But I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the LYKAN, what the potential value actually is with some comps, because that's not really public information. And just a little promise or something I'm going to offer and throw it in there to sweeten the deal. And just what it is about Genius Garage and what it'll mean. So with regard to the LYKAN, you guys obviously saw it was a long build. We had a lot of fun and kind of casual with the build in a lot of ways, but of course, the structural, the engineering, everything that went into the chassis, the suspension, the preparation of it is top notch. As you guys likely know, if you look up Genius Garage and see the cars we're working with and have in the past, a lot of really cool, purpose-built, high horsepower race cars that you got to do the job right. And clearly, Genius Garage would not have been donated a Lotus T125 Exosphere or the Dynan BMW V10 Daytona prototype, that Riley, if we didn't know what we're doing. So it really is a very good car. And obviously there was like 1,300 hours in doing all the composite works and body work. So the paint is exquisite. The gaps are very nice. Things open and shut well. And it's something that I think represents W Motors and the original LYKAN Hypersports perfectly as well, which I think the proof in the pudding is, of course, W Motors being so kind as to write a formal letter from the CEO congratulating us and kind of putting the stamp of approval on the build with Genius Garage. And then, of course, actually creating a W Motors roof plaque and badge specifically for the stunt car build through Genius Garage. But there are two cars I know of for comps for you guys. Obviously, the original ones were $3.4 million. They were highly exclusive, sold to incredibly wealthy people, largely in China. I believe there's one in South America, and they're going to go to those private collections. And yeah, those kind of collections exist for you guys. There's a lot of people that are of a socioeconomic level that they really can't appear in public and show the cars, so they vanish. You're not going to get another one. So that therein lies, if you want a LYKAN, this is your one shot, basically. So I do know of another stunt body that was a ragged out mess on a chassis, kind of badly. It didn't even run right. Certainly not finished to the standards of what we did. That sold for over 200 US. I do know that the NFT for the stunt car that's in Dubai that they have at W Motors was bid on to well over $500,000. I'm not sure where it ended up, but that was just the NFT. And while the stunt car, of course, at W Motors in Dubai has a history, and the interior is a little closer to a LYKAN, it's nowhere near the car and engineering and quality level of what the Genius Garage one is. So guys, I don't want to, what I'm saying is, I don't want you to think any less of the car because of the Fast and the Furious. I frankly don't even think of the Fast and the Furious history, because what we did, we built a car that is closely replicating what the original LYKAN Hypersports were. Of course, the Porsche Platform 987, if I remember correctly, of the 911s and Boxster variants from the early 2000s, is the identical basis of the platform used in the original LYKAN Hypersports. Now, not entirely, of course. That was the roof CTR3. So LYKAN, or W Motors, of course, worked with roof. But from the firewall forward, the front bulkheads, inside the dash, the basic seat structure and everything there is in fact the same. So that's why a lot of things fit well. But of course the engineering that went beyond it was tremendous. It's by no means putting a body on a chassis. That's why it was a year of work with the team, of course under my tutelage in a fabrication shop to build that. And that's why the composite work and the painting was a year of work. So as a note, if you were able to replicate this again, which you will not be, you're not going to get another body. They're not going to make any more. And, you know, if they made another LYKAN Hypersport, it would be many millions of dollars. So you're going to have to buy yourself a Fenrir Super Sport, which is also well over $1 million. Very nice car, though. But keep in mind this, if you actually were in the position to do that, you would have multiple years in it. The engineering, the fabrication in it would be many hundreds of thousands of dollars just to pay people the basic labor and such to do that. And then you'd have to look after it. And respectively, I think it would take a good number of years more than what we did We're pretty darn efficient, and I am a hard driver with engineering projects and cars and race cars. So kind of just want to bring that up. Now, something I'm going to do to sweeten the pot. Obviously, the LYKAN bidding was at like 126 grand. That is a smoking hot, stupid deal. I mean, that's peanuts. Being perfectly honest, when you look at parts and materials, labor, and everything that goes in it, forgetting opportunity costs and R&D, and even forgetting the history and the fact it's actually a beautiful driving car, peanuts. So certainly it'll go for more, but I'll say this, and I'll make it pretty easy. So for whoever wins it, if you win it for over $500,000, I will offer my consultation so that I can help you make the horsepower and braking abilities and any kind of suspension abilities it needs to perform as well as the originals, as well as guidance relating to if you would like to modify the interior to be the same as the originals, because I got to be around it. And certainly that would should be something of value. But if it doesn't go for that much, the tough noogies. So if it happened to be you're getting a smoking deal and it was going for less, if you want that, well, you're just going to have to bid over $500,000. Keep in mind, I get nothing out of this personally. No. Every single dollar, penny, cent of this goes directly to the Genius Garage 501c3 public educational charity. It's something that I believed in really strongly over a decade ago to build, and it's built with blood, sweat, and tears and thousands of hours of mine and other people's sweat equity to mentor students and help launch their careers. So guys, it really does mean a lot. And truth be told, I don't expect anyone to bid on it just because they like Genius Garage and feel like being philanthropic. I expect people to bid on it because they want the most exotic car available possible. This is it, at a smoking deal. But when you do win, you should at least feel a little good, because unless the world collapses and nobody bids on it, which would be a disaster. But I don't think that's going to happen. But it is going to matter a lot. And this is how we're going to be able to build Genius Garage, have a nicer shop, things like trailers and stuff, the projects, moving the ball forward, and also helping me as the leader and the president, founder of Genius Garage, to be able to put in place other mechanisms to help fundraise and such in the future. So the sale of the LYKAN, yeah, it's very, very important for Genius Garage. And it's something that I try not to think of too much. Otherwise, it would make me nervous. And that's why I'm here at a road race track, blasting around on super bikes and wearing myself out for 2 days, so I don't have to think about the LYKAN auction. But no, it's going to be really good. Look forward to connect with W Motors maybe in the future. Maybe be an opportunity for students to get internships there. But guys, I don't know what to tell you. Fast and Furious history is kind of cool, whatever. But it is one hell of an exotic car, built to a beautiful standard. Paint and body is every bit the match, if not, frankly, in some ways better than the original because of the thousands of hours that went into it. I know what it was. And the engineering is spot on. It is a good car. And if you win it, gosh, keep in mind, the originals were $3.4 million. You're not going to get your hands on it. So something tells me that when you win this, you're going to have such a cushion difference of deal, you can make it be whatever you want. It'll be pretty spectacular. You will win every Cars and Coffee until the end of time with this. And hopefully, if enough people decide they want it too, it'll go for a good number. And that'll really matter for the future of a lot of great young people launching their careers in engineering, aerospace, racing, mechanics, technical, all this. And that's what I want to do. So, bid now, bid a lot. Grow a pair and bid, okay? Because the whole world's gonna know you got it, and it's gonna be very cool. Unless you wanna disappear and be private, and that's fine with me too, but bid a lot. Help me make the future better. And if that's not what it does it for you, well then get yourself the most exotic, awesome car out there is, and win every single Cars and Coffee and thing you ever go to until the end of time, because no one's ever gonna have anything with this cool story. That's all I got, guys. Go to Bring a Trailer for the Genius Garage LYKAN Hypersport, and remember, the money goes directly to the Genius Garage 501c3. So I don't know how it gets any better than this. That's it. Subscribe. Catch you later. And I'm going to do a live feed starting an hour before the auction ends, which is probably crazy. And I'm going to need some adult apple juice to either celebrate or soothe the pain. I think it'll be for celebrating. See you guys then. Bring a Trailer, LYKAN Hypersport, 3 p.m. Eastern Time, American. That's it, guys. It's going. No reserve. You get one chance. Make it count.